today is a special Let's Play because it is called Joker versus the Never and the Zombie Pigman Joke. And oh shit. What we do is we basically like start it off and yeah. And we're back. A Twitch survival. I always start on good. I don't know what's in the Never yet, I mean basically the plan is we're gonna get our house started and yeah. Oh god, it's a bit glitchy.
Right, dude.
Yeah, I'm just making a video.
Yeah.
Give me a minute to stop glitching. It's glitchy. We changed our skin, I don't know. Maybe I should change it back to normal, maybe I shouldn't. Okay, I'll change it back to different. And we're back. I changed my skin back to what it looks like. Maybe a bit different. What's a quest? Better get set up for the night quickly. And it's a bit glitchy. Maybe. Stop lagging, game. Okay. Oh yeah. Gonna blow it. Epically blow it. Gonna blow it. Yeah, I've added a bit more to my house. That is so gonna wrap up episode 1. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and be sure to subscribe to my channels, comment if you think I should do a bit longer, and goodbye.